It has been so rigorous and taxing and also challenging because of those issues I have talked to you about, especially the weather and also the confined space. This confined space, you see, we finish materials here, but we need to see where to put materials. So because of the confinement of space, that has been a very big challenge. But with the cooperation we have been having with the team, we have been able to reach. Now, when you talk about the percentage completion, I think we have reached more than 50% completion. And in the remaining 4-5 weeks, we should be able to complete the work.
We have been making fundraising to build a parking lot for the cathedral and also to beautify the cathedral in view of the celebrations in October. Today we have raised 4,290,000 from those that came. But today's function was mainly to see the work that has been so far. We are grateful for your contributions and continue contributing so that the work can be finished on time. The engineers have assured us that they will be able to be done by October 26th. May God bless you and continue supporting Yoyoota project.